Hello everyone. In this video, we will see what is the use of directory tool, which is available in this particular input output tab, and what we can do with the help of this particular directory tool. So this particular favorite tab is also there. You can find different types of tools, which is what we do. So in input output tab, there is one directory tool. So I'll just drag it and drop it in the new workflow. Okay. So for this purpose, directory in this particular directory, we can show how many number of files are there. So the files can be seen at only one location and the results workflow. So you can just click on this particular. So this particular directory wherever we want. So we can select this particular sample data Excel. Okay. So under this, how many are the files? I will first show you. Yes. So this is another folder, but only the files will be selected. So around 25 files are there. Yes, 25 files are there. So I'll just select the sample data Excel. Click on OK. And I'll just click on run. So the path is being taken as C users desktop sample data. So in the results workflow, we can see this. There are 19 fields and 25 records displayed with the file names that is given. And the directory, which is over here, so it is nothing but highlighted over here. So I can go to this particular sample data Excel. Here we can see the same path. Yes, this is the same path which is displayed in Alteryx. And we can see that this particular results workflow for this particular directory in the file name. The 25 files were there, so these 25 files are being displayed. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.